G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School and the Ice Cream Bloke, on assignment here on a Scoop School field trip, international style. Here we are at the Selmi booth. Love some Selmi action. They've been a staple here at the show for many, many years, and they are manufacturers of chocolate making, chocolate tempering equipment. You as an ice cream shop owner might be thinking, well, I mean, chocolate and candy is a great supplement to the season, and it is, but maybe you don't want to delve too deeply into chocolate making. Well, that's fine too, but they have everything you need. They've got a base distributor in New York, so there's support there for the equipment. There's recipes, there's chefs, there's everybody. But look, this year, they've done something a little bit unusual in that they've increased the technology that they've had for the pairing of chocolate and ice cream. If we walk this way, you'll kind of see in this case some beautiful, this is all ice cream, all dairy. Chocolate, ice cream filled chocolate. You got small canisters in there, they've collapsed a little bit, that's fine. How do they infuse the process of ice cream and chocolate to make these drumstick type things? Well, if you come this way, this is what they call their Tuttuno Ice Plus. Now, this unit was the first one that they launched. It's a couple of years old now, and it's quite incredible. If you look down here, everything starts with a chocolate temperer. So it's tempering the chocolate, and most of your ice cream production or chocolate production starts with the tempering of chocolate. So you've got some beautiful milk chocolate there, tempering away, bringing up to the right temperature, and it's coming up these cords into the system. Now, the beauty of the integration of this machine is that on the top here is a refrigerated hopper. Here's where you're putting your ice cream mix. Now, honestly, you can just use ice cream mix, or you can put ice cream in there. Obviously, it needs to be fluid enough to run through the system. Their system here, they've got a little Ready Chef Carpigiani here, just to show you the process that you can either put ice cream mix straight in, or you can extract out of your batch freezer. Again, there's got to be fluid enough for that ice cream to run down through the hopper. But the idea is here that they are basically injecting or pairing your chocolate product with your ice cream product. This kind of revolutionized the market when it was introduced 1 or 2 years ago. The only issue they had was that the deck wasn't high enough to do larger cones and larger products. So they had these smaller frames here that they would use, cups, dishes, and so forth, and they would put it in here. You have to use this particular tray. This year they've launched something a little bit new. Behind us here is the new and improved version where you're making larger products, similar technology, but the deck is a lot higher now. So you can actually make these cones. So here's this tray here. And this is how they're doing the drumstick. So you've got a sugar cone that's sitting nice and deep within the outside paper cone. And you're basically filling up with chocolate. As you know, with the drumsticks, a little bit of chocolate in, then some ice cream, then some layer of chocolate. As with most ice cream and food process equipment, you've almost got this bolt-on aspect. So over here, we've got a unit that actually deposits either crumbles or choc chips or whatever you want. You can start off with just this unit, or you can kind of go the whole hog and basically have an ingredient feeder that's dropping product in. You can see they've got some chocolate shavings in the top there, ready to go. The average ice cream shop owner isn't kind of outlaying for this kind of product, but if you really are looking into more of your mass production, distribution, wholesale product, you can add a system like this to your store. And there are many people getting into the ice cream business that traditionally don't even want a retail store. They're going straight to the business-to-business market. And you end up with a whole bunch of products that look exactly like this. This is a cool vending unit, something that may be inside or outside your ice cream store. So you're basically selling ice cream 24 hours. You've got your regular cones here, mason jars, thank you, popsicles. The unit comes with like a wrapping machine, so you can actually wrap those popsicles. It's incredible what can be done in the world of ice cream and chocolate. And Selmi are the people. We're going to have All of Selmi's details are on the link below in this video, the distributor in New York, and all of the different models that we've spoken about. But again, innovation. You've got to look at your pairing ice cream products with something that's increasing sales and opening up a whole new market for you so far as a business to business. You might be making drumsticks and so forth for the local baseball stadium. So much can be done with this that's kind of next level on top of your regular retail experience. Love the show, love the Selmi people. The link is down below. If you have any questions, leave them down there too. We'd love to answer them and send you in the right direction to the Selmi people. So at the end of the process, you have a beautiful Italian chef named Luciano who hands you the finished product. You hold this.
Okay, thank you.
Are you the ice cream, Selmi ice cream magician?
Exactly.
It changed from vanilla to strawberry with some white chocolate on the top.
Definitely.
Fabulous. Bellissimo, perfetto, mamma mia.
Molto buono.
Molto buono. That's right. Thank you to all the crew here, Luciano and the crew here at Selmi. Again, all of the details for this line of product, training, support will be on the link down below. Keep on scooping.
Thanks.
We'll see you in the next video.